When I was taking this video, I was so happy to see birds on the sky. I saw seagulls sat on the log and doing many actions. It was amazing. Then I had a question, why seagulls make so whole lot of noise? The main reason was to protect their nest from potential predators. They are very protective of their young ones. Yelp, which sounds like a high-pitched bark, it used when a predator is getting close to the gull. The head and neck are upright, although when the call is emitted, the head and neck move a little forward to the seagull when it started to give that noise. I think that is why it made so big noise when I went near the seagull. I told the bird thank you for such a beautiful shot and pose it gave me, and walked from the lake view without disturbing its beauty. Hope you all enjoy the beauty of seagull.